Hello everyone, you're watching a Microsoft QuickHit video, and today we're going to be talking about how to improve the multitasking experience with Task Suspend and Resume. My name is Alex McClure, and I'm a Senior Application Development Specialist here at Microsoft. My job is to identify the most significant and promising application development teams in Southern California and help them partner with Microsoft to develop the highest quality applications as quickly as possible across a variety of platforms. So let's talk about Task Suspend and Resume and how it helps you multitask. Task Suspend and Resume is a feature within Visual Studio Premium and Ultimate. It makes it easy to pause what you're working on, temporarily go work on something else, and then pick up where you left off when you're ready. And this solves a few important challenges. When you think about the idea of context switching, it's one of the leading causes of lost productivity. And you lose time by configuring your desk configurations when you're switching between various tasks. So what Task Suspend and Resume does is it maintains your desk configuration state so that you can easily do context switching. Let me show you what I mean by that. The first thing I'm going to do is open up Visual Studio. And let's say that within Visual Studio, I am working on some code. Perhaps someone asked me to do a code review, or say I'm just modifying some code. Right? I may be doing things like setting breakpoints, removing breakpoints, pick up here, and then for one reason or another, I get interrupted, and I'm asked to go work on something else. Well, the way that I do this is I go to Suspend, I put in a note about what I'm modifying, and I click Suspend. This is going to save the file as well as my current configuration to make it so that I can resume this later on. Now, maybe I'm being asked to go modify another file or fix another bug. Well, what I do now is I may do something, for example, like look at a new work item, and maybe on our backlog there's a certain bug that needs to be fixed. So for the sake of demonstration, let's remember task 231. Okay, simple enough. Now, maybe I go and I'm going to go fix that bug. So here it is. Here's my code change. Great, so I've made a change to the code. I'm going to check it in. Fixed the request. I'm going to add a work item. And of course, this is a little bit fictitious. I'm not emphasizing the actual code that I'm writing. I'm emphasizing the process. And then I'm going to check it in. So what you've seen so far is me suspending my work, going somewhere else, opening up different files, changing my Visual Studio configuration, and finalizing my changes. So I made all of these changes. How do I go back and resume that original task I was working on? Right? Well, it's very, very easy. All I do is go back to my Team Explorer home, go to my work, select that suspended work I was working on, click Resume, and there you have it. Visual Studio opens up to the exact preserved state that I left it in before I suspended my work. So getting started with Task Suspend and Resume is very, very easy. All you have to do is install the latest version of Team Foundation Server, and then as a practice, it's always good to correlate your code to work items so that you can easily know what you're working on. This feature does require Visual Studio Premium or Ultimate, so if you don't have that, you may want to contact your MSDN administrator to learn how to get those tools. If you want to learn more, this link here is a great resource to learn more about how Task Suspend and Resume actually works. If you have any questions about this feature, please feel free to contact me. My email address is alex.mcclure@microsoft.com. If you have any questions about Visual Studio or TFS, my team and I would be glad to help. This has been a Microsoft Quick Hit video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.